guys, we haven't ridden with the chest mount in a while since we've gotten everything set back up. Starting at my storage because I left it here when I was doing all my repairs. If you guys remember, I had the chest mount on sort of while I was doing the repair and maintenance stuff. So I'm going to get my coat on and get this thing mounted, and we're going to ride from storage to the Cascadia College, and I'm going to take the bus to work from there. I got a special video that should be coming up pretty soon. We're about to hit 850, so I hope you guys enjoy what I post at the 850th video. Alright, let's get this thing on here. Alright, should be good, I think. I put my jacket on. I was gonna try to put the thing over the jacket, but it's just so bulky that it's already a pain in the butt to try to get the strap to clip correctly. My helmet. Now that they've closed this side road back over here, the Bear Creek Parkway, you could ride up from where I'm staying over here down the street. You can ride down that side, but the side that goes and connects to the other freeway entrance is essentially blocked off for the roundabout and whatever construction stuff they're doing on the other end. So who knows how long that's going to be, but it should be fun. It rained a little bit. Should do a rain riding video. I think that would be fun too. Maybe in the morning after work tomorrow. We shall see what we got going on. It says we have a full charge, but I did ride home this morning from work, and I was going about 40. But it was wet, which was kind of the dangerous part of that whole ride. I almost went into oncoming traffic because I lost the grip. So, right. Let's see. Last time I did something, I bumped it and I turned off everything, so I got to be really careful here. Hopefully less shaky too. So much weight in my coat that when I unzip it, it doesn't feel like there's anything in it at all. So let's see. Dirt bike. As you can see, they trimmed back a lot. They're bringing the big machine out to like cut back the hedges and stuff. And I don't know if that's just to keep it from overgrowing or if they're planning on doing something. put my helmet back down so I can keep my eyes safe. Why really parked here? It's pretty clear now. Really nice weather, but who knows? It's supposed to be pretty overcast and might rain again. Feels really warm with all my coat on and stuff because I know it's gonna rain. So nice to be prepared, but annoying to be overheated. Everybody's in line to turn. I don't want to turn, I just want to go straight. And then I can get on the bike trail. People just aren't paying attention. And because of all the roadblock stuff, the traffic's weird. Alright, my favorite pastime, trying to enter the bike trail without somebody running me over because they don't fucking slow down for the blind corner over here. I should just go on the other side of the street and enter from there. That way I can actually see everything, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Like that. No slowing down, just fucking whip around the corner. No helmet either. Pass. Maybe we got some Lime riders. I'll show them up. Chasing that bird. Scared me for a second. Alrighty, we have arrived. If only my scooter would stop sliding. The grip is made of like plastic, so it just does not want to stay in place. It doesn't have like a rubber stop. It's like a plasticky rubber, but it doesn't have enough rubberized grip to hold the scooter. Oh, but yeah, by the way, I don't know if you guys noticed these awesome handlebars. I got them off Amazon. Maybe I'll put a link in the description. They are made by, what is it? I don't know what it says. Top something. I'll have to look on my Amazon order. But yeah, I am gonna get on the bus. Maybe in the next 15 or so minutes. I don't know when the bus will be here. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm working on getting a car. When I get a car, it'll probably be more likely that I don't have the scooter anymore, because I'll be selling it to get a little extra money and help my friend who helped me get the scooter. So yeah, come back for more content. Check out the video at when we get to 850 videos. You'll see that in the next couple of days probably. See you guys next time.
But it's always a surprise when